Hello guys, it's been a while since I uploaded a video and it's been a while since I did any sort of work for my diecast models. The schedule was very loaded with work and I didn't have the time to sit and do a few things for my hobby. So today uh, I wanted to start doing things again for my hobby. And the first project that I picked is to change the wheels for this model car because this is a Maserati car and I really don't like the wheels on it. So I had these wheels from Hot Wheels, Ferrari 430 Challenge, I think, and I really like the design for the Maserati. So I want to put these wheels here, but this particular model, it's a brand that I don't have any other model car. I don't know the brand, which is, it says Maserati Gran Turismo, which is a model car, and the brand, uh, what does it say here? Mondo Motors. So the model car is Mondo Motors, and I wanted to replace the wheels. As with any other model car, every company uses their own type of system for the wheels, and this particular one has a system that I broke, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna fix it. So here is the disc brake, and the disc brake is the one that clips here and holds the wheel in place. So you can see here that the brake disc is fixed and the wheel turn around the disc brake. So the mechanism is like this. Basically you have to remove the tire so the front come off and you can take the wheel off the car. This is the procedure. So you remove the tire, you remove this front piece, and then you pull the disc brake and you have completely the assembly of the wheel. So because we have this system and I want to put these wheels, this is one is dirty, yeah, but doesn't matter. I want to put these wheels here. This size is a little bit smaller rather than the stock one. So you can see here, if I put, one moment, if I put the Hot Wheels wheel in the Mondo Motors tire, you can see that there is a difference in the size. I want to keep the stock size because it looks nice. So the plan is to, one moment, okay. So the plan is to cut the spokes and sand it, and then cut the wheel from the rim from here carefully, so I can keep that section, the front section, this here, with the design. And then I'm gonna take this and put it in here, place it nicely, put some glue, put some putty, whatever it needs, and then I'm gonna paint them black and put them back on. So anyway, this is how I'm gonna replace the wheels with something that I like better. You can see that this design is very nice. this not so much for the car. So that's the plan, and this is how you deassemble the wheels with the Mondo Motors brand. First you remove the tire, then you unclick the rim from the plastic and you open it, and then you remove the disc brake, which is clicked on the base, and then you remove this black plastic which is at the back. So this is how you done it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. Probably I'm gonna make another video so I can show you how it will look when it's completely done. I'm gonna put this design, I will paint it gloss black, now I'm gonna put tinted windows, so it's gonna look very nice, I think. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.